Everybody, so it's a project update. Today we have the Dodge Challenger outside. It is getting sandblasted. Turn and Burn is actually out here to clean it up for us. So let's watch them. Got a little time lapse. All right, check it out. Front, got some pillar action going on. Doing the jams for me. And we're not going to do the quarter panels and flat panels, although we are replacing the roof. Get the engine bay cleaned up. Did we get this already? About to clean all that stuff up too. Alright, so Turn and Burn went ahead, sandblasted this Challenger. We found some extra hidden rust up here, which we'll have to take care of. Other than that, the car really is pretty solid. There was another spot like up in the corners there. Other than that, that's it. Now, we did not sandblast the quarter panels or the roof. The roof is getting replaced. The floors were in great shape, so we didn't worry about that either. We'll just do a little touch-up on it, but yeah, we did a quick metal prep on it right now. And we're just going to go ahead and get some epoxy on this so that way this raw steel doesn't start rusting on me. Back inside, we went ahead, sprayed everything that was bare metal in epoxy. There's a few spots that need repair. Right up there. There's a bunch of extra holes all throughout here that were obviously punched through at some other point down there. So we're going to go ahead and fix those stuff and get it taken care of. But I believe the next step also will be to replace the roof. We have a brand new roof from Auto Metal Direct, which is sitting right here on top of my 300. We'll get this on there, and that's probably one of our next steps.